This red tractor is our 140 horsepower tractor. It is equipped with YTO engine. See, this is the logo of YTO, and this is the nameplate of the engine. You can see this is the Chinese characteristics for YTO, and we can see the power is 103 kilowatts, so it equals to 140 horsepower. The rated power is measured at 2200 RPM. Okay, and this is water-cooled 4-cylinder and high-pressure common rail engine, and the tire is the famous brand agricultural tire in China. The brand is Armour. Let's see, Armour. And the front tire size is 11.2-24, and the rear tire size is 16.9-34. It has 3 groups of hydraulic output, and it's equipped with TD chassis. Very robust for the 140 horsepower tractor. And we have another 140 horsepower tractor here, which the engine cover hasn't been assembled yet, so we can have a more close look at the engine. So this is the air conditioner clutch. So the air conditioner can have both heating and cooling function. Now let's have a look at the inside of the cab. And here is a company seat. When you have a company with a driver, you can sit here. It is simple design, but quite useful. And here, the steering wheel. This is hydraulic steering wheel. And here's the view of the driver's seat. And you can see the front tire. Very good view. And you have the sunshade here. So in some conditions, you can put this down to reduce the sunlight shining into your eyes and makes you more comfortable in certain conditions. And it's quite easy to put up. Yeah, just that easy. And this controls the hydraulic output. And this is the fuel economic mode selection. You have the heavy load model, and the weekend model, and the efficient model, and the medium load model, and the heavy load fuel efficient model. So according to your work conditions, you choose the different model and it can save your fuel. And this one controls the air conditioner. And these are the controls like electrical fans. And we got the air vent here. In total, 6 air vents. And we got the sunlight. Very comfortable cab. And let's take a look at the gear settings. 4 main gears and at 2 speed, high and low. So it's 2x4x2. So 16 gears forward and 8 gear reverse. Okay. And we also have the fire distinguisher here. And the stereo speaker, we got 2 speakers here. And we got here it controls the PTO output. It's a PTO clutch. And this controls you can choose the PTO speed. Now this one is the brake. Now this is the lift for the lifting arm. Okay.